Let me show you exactly how to make money online in Nigeria without investment. You don't have to invest a dime to make money from these online businesses, which I'm about to share with you in this video. So if you are excited and you really want to learn how you can actually make money online in Nigeria without investing a kobo, then watch this video all the way till the very end. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Johnpaul Onwueme, a blogger, a YouTuber, and an affiliate marketer. So if you want to get all my tutorials on how to make money online in Nigeria, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. The first way to actually make money online in Nigeria without investing a dime is called freelancing. Now, what is freelancing? Freelancing is the process of offering your skill as a service, and in return, you make money. That is the simple definition of what freelancing is, right? Now, let me ask you this one question. Which skill do you have to offer to people in exchange of money? If you have a good skill you can actually offer to people and get money in return, then you can actually start freelancing work and you get paid, right, whenever you offer your skill to people, right? So there are different platforms you can actually register with and start your freelancing business. You can use Upwork, you can use Freelancer, you can also use Fiverr, right? There are tons of websites you can use to do your freelancing work and make money whenever you offer your service as a skill. So that is the first way you can actually make money online in Nigeria without investing any money. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing step by step and make good money doing affiliate marketing, then join my affiliate marketing business mentorship. The link is in the video description. The second way you can actually make money online in Nigeria without investing any dime is through online tutoring, right? Online tutoring is very, very profitable. For instance, if you know how to write or speak other people's language, you can actually do this. You can actually do this business by teaching people how to speak that particular language. For instance, if you know how to speak and write Yoruba, or you know how to speak and write Hausa and or other languages, you can actually teach these languages online and you make money while doing this, right? So this is a very good where you can actually make money online in Nigeria without any investment. Now, if you want to teach foreign languages, there are websites you can use to do this, right? For instance, a good website you can use to teach online, to teach foreign languages is called tutor.com. You can go ahead and register on tutor.com and you start teaching online. If you go to tutor.com, you will see that there are thousands of tutors on this particular website. So you can actually become one of these people, pick a subject you are interested in and a subject you actually know about, and you start teaching it online. The third way to make money online in Nigeria is by making YouTube videos. Making YouTube videos is very, very profitable. If you don't want to show your face on the camera, just like the way I am doing, you can actually create a faceless YouTube channel without showing your face. You can do screen recording, right? Or you can do voiceovers. But the most important thing right here is to start making YouTube videos. I hope you get the point right now. Now, for you to start making videos on YouTube, you need to actually specify your target audience, specify your niche. When I say niche, I mean the area of your interest, right? That is what I mean by specifying your niche. For instance, if you know how to cook different types of soups, you can actually pick that up as your niche and you start teaching it on YouTube. Once you carve out your niche, you will see that you are going to get more and more followers to your YouTube channel. So there are many ways you can actually use to monetize or to make money from your YouTube channel. A common way to make money from YouTube channel is by joining the YouTube partnership program. Now, how do you join this YouTube partnership program? All you need to do is to get 1,000 subscribers to your YouTube channel, and also you get up to 4,000 watch hours. So once you get these two things ready, you can go ahead and apply for YouTube partnership program. Once they accept you into their program, they will start paying you whenever people are watching your videos. Now, before you get monetized on YouTube, you can actually make money even without getting monetized, right? You can sell services or products to your viewers and you make money while doing that, right? So this is exactly how you can actually make money from YouTube videos. The next one we are going to talk about right now is called affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you sell other people's products or service, and in return you get a commission for selling those products, right? So that is a simple definition of what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is very, very profitable, and the most interesting part of it is that you can actually start affiliate marketing without investing any dime, right? You can go over to different affiliate platforms that are free and register with them, and you pick products on those affiliate networks and you start promoting them. I personally use Stakecut for my affiliate marketing. If you want to join Stakecut and use it for your affiliate marketing, I will leave the link in the video description so that you click on the right link and register on Stakecut. Once you create an account on Stakecut, go ahead, go to the market section and pick a product you are interested to promote, right? Once you get this particular product, you go ahead, start promoting this product, and when people buy this product using your affiliate link, you are going to get commission for selling that particular product, right? I recently started using Stakecut and I have already made up to $50, right, on this particular platform. So it is a very good platform to start making money online, right? So if you want to do affiliate marketing, go ahead and join Stakecut, go to the market section and pick a product, start promoting it and make your sales. Now, the next one we are going to talk about right now is social media management, right? Social media management is very simple. It means managing social media accounts for people. There are business owners looking for people to manage their social media handles. So you can stand in the gap and take up this job as a social media manager and start managing these businesses. Let me tell you, there are people looking for YouTube followers, Facebook followers, Twitter followers, and all the rest of them. If you are capable of providing these services to these people, you can actually make money while doing this. Now, I have a platform you can actually use for your social media management services, right? It is called Owodaily. The link to register is in the video description. Once you register on Owodaily, you can use Owodaily to provide these services to these people and you make your money. The next one we are going to talk about is graphic designs, right? If you know how to do graphic designs, you can actually use this skill to make money online for yourself without investing any time. Even if you don't have a laptop to do your work, you can still do graphic designs with your phone, right? There are different apps that can help you with your graphic designs. For instance, a good app you can use for your graphic design is called Canva. Canva is totally free. You can use Canva to create any type of design that you want. If you get work from businesses, you can go over to Canva, use Canva and create any form of design that you want and send it to these people. So graphic design is a very good skill you can actually use to make money online in Nigeria without investing any dime. The next way to make money online in Nigeria without investing any dime is by selling digital products. What is digital product? A digital product is a downloadable file you can read with your computer or phone, right? So that is a simple definition of what a digital product is. Now, you can create a digital product in any format like PDF form, video format, or any other format that you prefer. And once you create this product, you can sell it online and make money for yourself. You can package your knowledge as a digital product and you sell it out to people, right? People are consistently looking for solutions to their problem. If, for instance, if you know how to format an Android phone without going to a phone mechanic. You can package this knowledge as a solution and offer it to people who are actually looking for how to format Android phones without going to a mechanic. And the most interesting part of this is that you can actually do this without investing any money. The last business idea we are going to talk about is called drop shipping. Drop shipping is also a form of affiliate marketing where you sell other people's products, right? But this time around, you are going to be the person to set your own price, right? Unlike affiliate marketing, where the price is already set. But in dropshipping, you are going to be the person to set your own price. You go to manufacturers or wholesalers to get products, right? Once you get the picture of these products, you can post them on your WhatsApp status or any of your marketing channels. And once people are interested and are ready to buy, they're going to send you money. Once they send you money, then you are going to take that money and order for that product from the wholesaler or the manufacturer, right? You take your own money and you send the manufacturer or the wholesaler his or her own exact amount of money for that particular product. So this is exactly what dropshipping business is all about. For you to start a dropshipping business, you need to go and meet any manufacturer or wholesaler of your choice, right? For instance, if you want to start selling bags or shoes, right, you can go to any manufacturer or any wholesaler and reach an agreement with them, right? You take the contacts, and whenever you get an order, you place a call directly to those people and you order for that particular product and send it to the buyers, right? So this is exactly how dropshipping is done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you are going to be the first to get notified by YouTube. Now, before you go, I want to show you 6 proven ways to start your own profitable online business. If you want to know the step-by-step process on how to start your own profitable online business, watch this video on the screen right now.